It's Lily here. Today, I'm gonna prank my mom by sneezing her. All you need is this prank is a spray and a water. You can buy this spray anywhere. So let's set up you guys and let's watch the prank. Start!
Melissa Gilbert's homemade fried chicken. Need we say more?
Stop it!
And my mom is so very mad at me, and hope you like the prank and subscribe if you're new and follow me on Twitter. It'll be in the link below. So see ya guys. Peace.